In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a deleted project in Wrike. If you've accidentally deleted a project, or you just can't find something you're sure used to be there, don't worry. Wrike has a built-in safety net that makes it possible to recover items, including projects, as long as they're still within the retention period set for your account. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few tips to make the process smoother. Let's start from inside your Wrike workspace. Make sure you're logged in and looking at your normal working view, such as your folder tree or a project view. At the top of the Wrike interface, you'll see your profile icon. This is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. It might display your initials or a small avatar image, depending on how your profile is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you do, a small menu will drop down. This menu gives you access to things like your profile settings, account preferences, and some additional tools. Among these options, you should see something labeled Recycle Bin. This is where Wrike stores deleted items for a certain period of time before they're permanently removed. Click on the Recycle Bin. Once it opens, you'll see a list of items that have been deleted from your workspace. This can include tasks, folders, and importantly, projects. The list might be long if your team deletes things frequently, so take a moment to scan through it carefully. You can usually sort or filter items by name, type, or date deleted. Use these options to help narrow down the results if you remember roughly when the project was deleted or what it was called. Look through the list until you find the project you're trying to restore. When you locate the deleted project, select it. In the Recycle Bin view, you should see an option to restore it. Click Restore, and Wrike will place the project back into its original location or into a default area if the original location no longer exists. After restoring, navigate back to your main workspace and confirm that the project is visible and accessible again. If you can't see it right away, try refreshing your browser or checking the original folder where it was stored. And that's all you need to do to find and recover a deleted project in Wrike using the profile icon and the Recycle Bin.